Okay guys, welcome to our channel Cosmos of Knowledge. So today we'll be dealing with this very particular question we have here on the board, okay? So how do we go about this? First of all, don't want to forget to start with your solution. We are solving a problem, so we need to find a solution to it, right? So from here now, let me introduce you to a method that will be very simple for you to solve this. Remember, if you should have something like, let me say A plus A plus A, only give you 3A, right? So just imagine this 7 raised to root of x, this and this, as A, because they are all the same, right? So you can simply say that this is what? Okay, let me rewrite it here. Plus raised to x equals to, okay, remember what I said. So you can simply write this as what? 3.7 raised to power x, okay, equals to 63 to the root of x, okay. Okay guys, so in order to simplify this further, because this is our answer, this is not the end. In order to simplify this further, we have to simplify this also. Remember, we worked on this part, so now we need to work on this other part. Okay, so we have 3.7 raised to power root of x. So to simplify this, you know, if you have something like, let me say 6 raised to power x, okay, it's the same thing as you saying 2 raised to power x dot 3 raised to power x. Why? Because 2 times 3 will still give you this. Are you getting what I'm saying now? And note that this is only when the powers are the same that you can differentiate them, okay? So now you can see we have, so let's include this method here. Now you see that you have 63 raised to power roots of x, okay? So now, what do? Know that 9 times 7 will give you what? 63. Are you seeing it now? So you just put 9.7. Don't forget to put the power roots x. So you can see that we've broken this down. So that's one step. Now let's enter the next step. Now to simplify this further, we can simply say, okay, let's work on this first. Bring this down. Root of x equals to 9 can also be reduced. It can be what? 3 raised to power 2 roots x. 3 raised to power 2 still give us 9. So it's the same thing. For further simplification, okay? So from here now, what do? We are going to divide both sides by 3.7. And please note guys, these points I'm putting, it's also multiplication, please take note. It's also multiplication. That's why I said here 9 times 7 will give us 63. Please note, this is not a decimal point, okay? This is multiplication, alright? So from here, let's divide both sides by 3.7. Now to simplify it further. Okay, so this, you divide it by this, divide both sides by this, raised by root of x. You do the same thing here. So now you see that this will cancel this, and this, since it's multiplication, they can cancel each other, okay? So this is the same thing as this, so they cancel out. But this is not the same thing as this, so they cannot cancel out. So this is what? 1. This goes into itself, is 1 time, okay? So this is what 1 equals to this. 3 raised to power 2 root x. Remember, there's still 3 here. And remember, if there's no power, it's 1, okay? So this is 3 raised to power 1. And recall from indices, if you have something like this, if the bases are the same, you can do what? Subtract the powers if it is division. Okay? So this is what? 1 equals to what? 3 raised to power 2 root x minus 1. The bases are equal. Have you seen it? So from here now, what do? Recall that anything raised to power 0 is still 1. So you can, in order to make these bases equal and to make x standalone, we can say that 3 raised to power 0 is equal to what? 3 raised to power 2 root x minus 1. Are you seeing it? So automatically the base can cancel themselves because they are the same. So let's move over to this side, okay? So now what is left? 0 equals to what? This. 2 root x minus 1. Are you seeing it now? So from here now, all we need to do is what? Make x subject of the formula, and we're done. So now let's do it. So from here, we can just interchange it and write it this way, equals to 0. When we move 1 to this side, it becomes positive. So this is equal to what? 1, positive 1. So from here, in order to make x stand alone, we divide both sides by the coefficient of the unknown, which is x. Divide this by 2. So this will cancel out, and root of x will be equal to 1 over 2. Yet, that's not what we are looking for, okay? We're looking for x, not the root of x. So in order to eliminate this root, we do what? We square both sides. So this is what? This square will cancel this square, and x will be equal to what? 1 square. Remember, when it's like this, that means the square is with both the numerator and the denominator, okay? So this is 1 square over 2 square. 1 square is what? Still 1. 2 square is what? 4. So you can see that this x is now equal to what? 1 over 4. And you want to prove this, you can impute this into here. Okay? You want to prove this, you can impute this answer into this and use the same method to solve it. You see that the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side, meaning that our answer is correct. So thank you very much for watching to the end. I appreciate you all. Please do all to subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment.